fursuit unboxing time. I'm so excited. I can't believe that he's here. A little backstory, I commissioned Elk Craft for a redo of Showtime's head. And then I also bought some feet paws and hand paws to go with it. This is Showtime's old head. Y'all have seen him before. So yeah, he's getting a massive upgrade today. So yeah, let's open him up. Eee! I'm so happy. It's raining outside, so the box is slightly damp, but not too bad. By the way, this is my first time ever commissioning a fursuit. I've commissioned fursuit parts, but never a partial or fursuit before. Just like hand paws and feet paws is about the extent of what I've bought. So I've scribbled out the addresses so you can still kind of see them. So, okay, this is the head. The head always goes last. So I want to put that. Oh, I also got fursuit sandals to go with the feet because my feet are indoor feet. Which I've actually never had indoor feet before. Always been outdoor feet. Oh, that's cool. Okay. These are the sandals. They're quite big. That you put on the bottom of the feet to protect them from dirt and stuff when you're walking around. That's very cool. Just pull all the bags out just to make sure. Okay, box is empty. So let's do the, I'm so excited. So this in this bag, I believe, is the hand paws. Ah, yes, and the feet paws. Okay. Oh, okay. So here's the first hand paw. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh. And he's got his little shark fins on the back. Ah! I'm gonna put it on. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Look at those beans. Look how big they are. Okay, where's the second one? It's in here somewhere. I hope at least. Oh yeah, it's down here. Okay. There's the second paw. Look at the beans. They're so big. Oh my gosh, these are so nice. Oh my gosh. So it'll be a mini partial because I got hands, feet, and a head, and the sandals. So now, I got firm enough. Let's move on to the feet. Woo! Oh wow. I didn't actually see pictures of the feet up close. I didn't get to see the bottoms of the feet at all actually. Ooh, they're built on like slippers. Wow, that's really cool. Oh wait, they're actually lined with like a pineapple like fabric on the inside. That's cool. I don't know which foot this is. Ooh. Oh, those are nice. That's awesome. There's the other one. Same sparkly spandex fabric. That is awesome. Oh my gosh. Let's stick my foot in this one too. Ah, the beans! Oh my gosh, I love these. Those are so cool. I'll give you guys an up close look at them. Those are so cool. Ah! Okay, so those are the feet. This is the part that I'm like the most excited for. The best part of the entire suit is always the head. I'm gonna sit up so I can make sure that you guys can see it. Is it in the camera view? Okay. The baby! Oh, those are so cute! The tongue! Is it sparkly?
Okay, the tongue is sparkly.
The tongue's sparkly!
I love the tongue.
Oh cool thing about him is his nose is pickable. You can stick your finger like through his nose. No, but it's easier for travel. He does have eyelids. I'm trying to find, they're inside the head. Yeah, I grabbed them. Yeah, okay, there's the set of eyelids. The inside of the head's like really squishy. Oh, what? Look at that.
His mouth's my favorite, I think.
I know.
The eye painting is really good too.
The eye, oh I know, the painting the eyes is so good. Like, this is like so much, oh my god, the improvement is insane on this guy. Oh my god, he's so cute. His face is so cute. Oh, I have to put him on. I'm gonna put him on right now. The inside is lined with like an orange, like, color spandex fabric. Oh, my hair. Whoa, that feels different. Oh my gosh.
Can you see good?
Yeah, I can see him breathe really good. Wow.
Poor Sushi, he hates fursuits.
I know, my dog hates fursuits. He's not a fan. Hello. I have fur in my eye. Oh god, gotta get it out. Now I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to do a suit up video. I got my legs into the bodysuit just cause it was easier to do it off camera. Body and tail. We're done. Okay. Cookies. I don't know which one's supposed to go. Hi, Mr. Sushi. Hello. Are you interested? What's going on? Am I turning into an animal?